What is up, guys? Bitcoin is currently on the move today. We're seeing a nice breakout in the market. This is a huge deal because the bulls are finally starting to pull back. We've been consolidating for the past couple weeks, and we're now starting to see the bulls regain control. We're currently breaking out of the golden pocket zone of the Fibonacci level of the cycle, and this is a huge deal because this is really our key resistance that we had to break, and we are currently breaking that and making a new higher high. So we are still in an uptrend. We just had to consolidate for a little bit. Our next key resistance should be around the 45,000 area, around there. That's where I really see us stopping out. I mean, we could obviously pull back a little bit, but I don't see us having any real trouble till we hit that level. And also, there's a lot of big things that have been happening in the past week. So, as you know, or as you may know, these ETFs are coming, and there's a lot of stuff coming out related to these ETFs. So, somebody that's really good about this stuff, his name's James Safar. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that right, but he works for Bloomberg Intelligence, and he pretty much is coming out saying that the window for potential spot Bitcoin ETF approval is looking like it's going to be January 5th through January 10th. So that's what people are thinking that they're going to make a decision on it. It could be a rejection, it could be a approval. We never know, but Bloomberg says it's 90% chance, and that's really where I stand as well. I believe that this is going to happen. I don't know how it will happen. I don't know what they're going to do. I'm not sure if they're going to approve all of them at once, or they're going to have favorites, or how that's going to go. But it is possibly coming, and this is a great time to prepare and stack sats just in case this does happen. Another thing as well, as you guys may know, Bitcoin is also up 130% this year. This is huge. You guys probably already know this, but this is just another milestone for what we're about to achieve in these next coming years. Also, if you guys don't know MicroStrategy, so Michael Saylor, he's the CEO of MicroStrategy. They bought, let me see. Yeah, so they bought another $600 million in Bitcoin. They already own around, I think it's like $5 or $6 billion. It's somewhere around there. But they own a ton of Bitcoin, and they're already up over $1 billion in profit and unrealized gains. And that is a huge deal because that's going to start getting these other companies. Once MicroStrategy starts making billions off of this investment, that's going to make other companies like Apple and Amazon, these companies are going to look over and be like, dang, like this company just rode up this price, and now they're one of the most valuable companies on the market. So this is a huge deal, and MicroStrategy is a great company. Michael Saylor is a great guy. He's amazing when it comes to Bitcoin. He's a very smart guy. He was on the .com boom, everything. He knows what he's talking about, and I follow along with what he does, and I like what he does with Bitcoin. I like his opinion on Bitcoin as well. And then another thing as well. So this is the CME FedWatch tool. This goes over the federal interest rates, and pretty much this gives us a market prediction of the target rates for each Fed meeting. So we are currently at 525 to 550, and on December 13th when we have the meeting, it's 97% chance of a pause, and we should start getting cuts around March, May area, probably around May if I can take a guess, depending on how things go. But we're supposed to get another pause in January. And then coming in March, we are actually expecting a cut, which is very good, and that's where I see it happening. But things can change before now and then. But it seems like things with Powell and where he wants this economy to go are going somewhat in his favor. So I think that this is going to be a huge deal for Bitcoin. No matter what people say, rate cuts are amazing for the market, and this is going to be very, very good because it's a great thing for the markets, and it's a great thing for people that are holding assets as well. That is pretty much it for today. I'm just going to go do one more quick analysis on the Bitcoin price. So last things last, we're breaking out. As you guys may know, this is beautiful. We've had a very clean break out of this strong resistance. We've been trying to hit it for a few days. We could see a continuation. I think we will get a continuation. We could get a big short squeeze and see a continuation because most people aren't expecting that. Most people are shorting here. They think we're going to go down. I just don't think so. I think this is a vertical accumulation zone. And I think that we are going to see lots of money to be made in these markets in the coming months and weeks. And December also happens to be a very bullish month for Bitcoin. Based off of history, December has always been, not always, but is majority a very, very bullish and green month for Bitcoin. I hope this video did you guys good, and I hope you guys could extract some information from it. If you guys have any questions regarding the market or anything, just leave them in the comments below. If you guys like the video, please subscribe and like the video. And thank you. You guys have a good one.